How's it going, guys? This is my Anet A8, which I guess I actually got. It's a knockoff of an Anet, which is a knockoff of, I think, the Prusa Mendel i3. But anyway, so I know I haven't made a video in a little while, but I made some upgrades to this today, and it's printing right now. I got some Overture filament from Amazon. It just barely got in stock, and I ordered 3. So right now I'm printing some battery holders, and this is the most clean looking battery holder it's printed in a long time because of I just tightened some stuff up on it, and I printed this X-axis belt tensioner. You can see right there that with the zip ties on both sides and the loops inside of it. I printed that today on my other King Rune 3D printer, and it took it 4 hours to print it in ABS, but it is so nice and it works perfectly, and the belt slides nicely over it, so it's printing really straight. And I'll jump into some more detail on the other printers the next few days, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like, and thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.